everyone, we will take an orange marker and then initially make a K shape out of it. Then make a pointed B shape out of it and then using the same marker, fill in this. Afterwards, add another layer to it in the front. Take a black marker and then make the face of a little girl. Make it look like she has her arms outstretched. Then proceed to draw her legs. Add little boots to her as well. Now color these boots in orange as well. Fill in her hair and then add rain from the top. Next, we will take a dark blue marker and then draw on a little beanie. Underneath the beanie, add a little scarf to it as well. Fill all of it in using the same marker. Now, in the gap between the beanie and the scarf, add a cute little face to it with a little smiley face. Use a white marker or a pen in order to make the detailing on the beanie and the scarf as such. This will be the final look. Next, we will start off by taking a marker, make this oval shape and then add layers to it. Add a little face to this oval shape. We will be making a little girl. Now add eyes to it and then add a little scarf underneath it as well. After this, draw on the rest of her body as such. Add little legs underneath it and you may also draw on little boots. Once you are done with this, you may take on any colored marker. We have chosen the color pink. Now color in her hood and the rest of her dress using the color that you have chosen. We have used orange for her scarf and boots. Now take a stencil and then make two circular shapes out of it. In the first shape, make a little girl out of it and then add a face to it. Make a small little cute smiley face out of it. Make her wear her uniform as such. Add the top and then add a little scarf around the neck area. Add her legs at the base of it and then add two little black dots to signify the feet. After this, right beside her, draw on a little boy in his uniform. Make both of them raise one of their arms and then draw the feet at the bottom. Color it in as you please once you are done. Next, we will start off by drawing these cross-like shapes. Now, after you're drawing the second one, add a little face to it, which will be the mother's face. Don't forget to draw on the hair and then add a nice gentle smile to it. Next, draw on the face of the little baby and then make the outline of its clothing. Join the two together at the base as such and then color it in accordingly. We have colored it in pink and red. After this, take a marker and make the face of a little girl. We will be drawing a princess. So after this, draw on the big eyes and will add a little bit of a glistening effect by leaving two little circles uncolored. In the top, you may add a little crown to it and then make her have long flowy hair. After this, draw on the rest of the body. Add a large flowy dress for this little princess. Make her have puffy sleeves as well and don't forget to draw her arms. Once you are done with this, add lines to her dress and then color it in blue as we have done. Next, take a little marker and then make a T shape. After this, add two eyes underneath it, add lines at the top, and then make a little circle around in order to signify the face. Add the rest of the body as well as the arms and big buttons. Add on the legs. Now onto the other side, add the little old grandmom's face as well. Add the hair at the back and then draw on the little dress that she is wearing. After this, color it in blue and orange accordingly. Now we'll be drawing a little mermaid. Start off by drawing the face and after that, draw the top of the hair. Add the eyes and then add a cute little smiley face to her. Add her top and after this, add on the arms. Now draw on the rest of her body and then connect it to her big tail. Add the fin at the bottom as well and then add her long and flowy hair. Once you are done with this, color it in pink as we have done. Thank you for watching.